Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The last session saw the dollar rise 0.4% against the yen. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair dropped 0.5% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the gold drop 0.3% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Global shares struggled for a firm footing as the dollar eased ahead of US jobs data that could offer a steer on the outlook for interest rates, while oil prices stabilized near 3-week highs after OPEC Plus agreed to cut output. The Middle East and North Africa was the fastest growing crypto market in 2022, according to a new report. Users in the region transacted $566 billion in cryptocurrency between July 2021 and June 2022, up 48% from a year earlier. The dollar rose, extending its gains from the previous day as investors looked ahead to Friday's key US payrolls report for signs of softness that could signal slowing US rate hikes and possibly a weakening in the greenback after this year's sharp rally.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US unemployment rate will be released at 12:30 GMT, Japan's coincidence index at 0500 hours GMT, the UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 1930 GMT. Japan's leading economic index will be released at 0500 hours GMT, Germany's retail sales at 0600 hours GMT, Germany's industrial production at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.